everybody, my name is Josh Williamson and this is my update video. What am I doing now? That's a good question. So as you guys have seen, my channel has turned a little bit. I've made a little bit of changes, but I never really updated anybody what is going to be going on. And probably about a month and a half ago, 2 months ago now, I was coming up on my 42nd birthday and I've been exercising, pretty much for the last 2 to 3 years. But the results have kind of varied and the struggle is real, just like everybody else. I've never been 100% in shape, and no one ever is, but I've never been in the best shape. And I'm at my personal best right now, but I still have a long way to go. And I decided that my workout was good, my dedication to the gym was good. There's a lot of things that were going good in my life, but it has always been the nutrition part. So if you follow me on Instagram at jwill.17, 2017, right here, it's right here. You will notice that most of my IG posts nowadays are about health and fitness. And I want to use my YouTube channel, my Facebook, as well to be able to promote health and fitness. It has made me feel the way I do today, and it's the best I felt ever, and I'm 42 years of age. The other thing that I did do is became keto. So a lot of people are looking at keto as a diet, and I think that's the wrong way to look at keto. The best way to look at keto as a lifestyle. Most of the diets and fads that go by, they make you deprive yourself of different types of foods, and they make you starve yourself basically. And what I found with the keto diet is that it doesn't do that at all. It actually lets you eat a lot of things that you do want. You gotta cut out the sugars, you gotta cut out the carbohydrates, but what's left is so much goodness. And the keto stuff that you can make is great too. And you can see that on my IG channel. I made some chocolate milkshakes that were out of this world. Chocolate milkshakes on a diet. Seriously, but it tasted awesome. And I'll give you guys the recipes. Everything you guys need to know, comment down below. Let me know what you want when it comes to exercise, when it comes to diet, when it comes to nutrition, any types of foods that you're gonna get. I am not a certified trainer. I am not certified nutritionalist. I'm none of these things. I am reading, I am researching, and I'm doing all the work that I can do for you, for me, and for everybody else. This is all based on my experience. There's a few different things that I want to teach you guys about. The one thing I wanted to talk about a lot was my personal life, and when it comes to exercising and nutrition and that type of stuff. How it helps you with your sleep, how it helps you with your motivation, your motivation and everything else that you want in your life, your focus. Like I am super focused these days, and I'll tell you in the next video why. So that's a personal thing. Another thing I want to talk about is keto. I'm going to be big on keto in the next little while because it has changed my life for the better, and I have medical things to prove that as well. Maybe my doctor will let me have that stuff, but I can tell you in the next episode what has happened with me physically since I started a keto diet. The last one that, when it comes to health and well, I want to show you some exercises too, I guess. So you can see this is the gym that I work out in. This is actually my work gym, but it's a great gym, starter gym. We have some free weights and some stuff around here that you can kind of see. It's mostly got some machines and stuff, but it's good because we're going to talk a lot about HIIT training or high intensity interval training. It is really good for you, and it only takes 20-25 minutes a day. When I was working out every day, I was doing cardio every day, and I was lifting heavy weights every day, and I was not getting the results. Changed my diet, and I changed my exercise. And it's like improved so much. I lost 10 pounds, I lost 4 inches off my waist. I'm just, stepping on that scale every day. That's not really the best way to tell if you're losing weight. The best way is gonna be by either a fat fiber test or by actually measuring your chest, your stomach, all that kind of stuff. And that's what I've been doing now. So I wanna take you guys through on that as well. Watch out for the next video. I'm gonna be showing you more stuff. I'm gonna be talking about ketos and everything like that. Ketones and ketosis. How do you get there? What can you use to get into ketosis? How do you know you're there? Because we can tell that. You know what you're doing. All these other diets, are they working? You don't know. But you're gonna find out how. the next episode. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching this video. I want to see you guys in that comment section. You guys are going to see me in my next video. Take care, everybody. Love y'all.